Today I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram stories. So we want to add some music to our story. What we can do here is on the top left, you'll see it says your story and it has your profile picture on it. Go ahead and tap on this. You'll now have the option to select some media that you would like to add to your story. You can also select on the top right hand side where it says select. You can now select multiple. Go ahead and click on next. Here we can either choose a layout or to separate them one by one. So I'm going to choose to separate them. You will now see all of your media in a lineup. We'll also see at the top there is a badge that shows that there's some music playing here. So what we can actually do here is we can change the music. So on the left, you can see the little drop down menu. Here we can change the text, add some stickers. We can add some music here. And we can show how this actually is displayed. Okay, you'll also be able to change the color, and here we can tap to change it to an avatar. All right, so what we're gonna do now is add some text stickers. You can add some mentions and a bunch more. So we can now tap on done or next, and we're going to now share it to our story. You can also have the option to share it to close friends as well as message over here. And once you're done, you will have it live with that music on it that you had chosen previously.